If you've been submitting applications, watching your classmates land roles, and wondering why your effort isn't leading anywhere, this story may feel familiar. In this interview, you'll hear from Nihar Marar, a computer science student who recently accepted a paid internship at Sony PlayStation. Before joining, Nihar was doing what most computer science students do, applying heavily, getting ghosted, and questioning why strong grades and solid projects still weren't opening doors. In this conversation, Nihar shares what changed once he started following the more deliberate process he learned in the accelerator. If any part of Nihar's journey resonates with you, pay special attention to where Nihar's effort looked strong but wasn't converting, and how the accelerator helped him break that pattern. Let's hear from Nihar.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
Yes, that's right. You got the PlayStation gig. Holy cow, that's amazing.
I'm so happy. Like, literally, HR called me, and so they emailed me before saying, I would like to set up a quick call. So I was like, okay, this is either going to be like them telling me no or yes. And then at the beginning, when they called me, I was nervous. I was so nervous. Like I felt the butterflies. And then she started with, I have some exciting news for you. And then I was like, wait, there's no way.
Well, wait for it.
I was so shocked. I was like, wow. And it was really fast too. I literally had my interview last Friday, so it hasn't even been a full week.
So what are you going to be doing at this internship?
I'm going to be working for MLB The Show. It's, the baseball game. And basically, I'm going to be working on like the backend server, API stuff, and then I think some game development as well, not fully, but say they want a new feature to be added. Like a new backend feature or something, or they want something to be optimized, then I have to do that. So that's why in the interview they asked a lot of optimization questions, like bit manipulation, how to multiply stuff faster, stuff like that.
Super happy for you, man. Take me back a little bit, just so we can kind of know your backstory a little bit. I'd love to hear just kind of where you were before you joined the accelerator.
Yeah, it's pretty cliche, but I was struggling with applications. I was getting ghosted left and right. I was getting rejection emails after rejection email. I was frustrated. I was a little bit worried. I was like, am I going to be unemployed? What's going to happen? I hated going on LinkedIn. I would see my friends and they would all be getting offers. And I'm like, how are y'all getting stuff? We went to the same school. I got a better GPA than you. So that's where I knew something was wrong. I wasn't doing something right. I went to YouTube. I watched a lot of YouTubers, but Amon's channel really stood out because he gave actual steps. He actually gave do lead code, do networking, do this, do that, do resume. So it's I actually liked his steps. His advice was good in my opinion. It resonated with me. And whenever someone asked me for career advice, I actually always say what he says,
When you joined the accelerator, did you feel like you were learning some secret weapons, or what was kind of your thought as you're inside?
So I think with the accelerator, it's more a combination of accountability, and then also since you pay for it, you have more incentive to actually do more work. For example, before the accelerator, I did apply, but sometimes I'd be on and off. Some weekends I'd apply left and right. Then another weekend I'd be man, I'm just gonna get rejected anyway. So screw this, But the accelerator, the main thing I liked about it was the structure it gave. It gave do this. It gave homeworks. It was almost treating it like a course almost. I have to study for this test. It's okay, I have this assignment. I have these coaching calls I need to go to. So it's the experience is different. With college, you network with people. This program, you got to meet more people. You got different experiences. You have a lot of posts with different offers to motivate you. The coaching calls. So it's different from just learning on your own.
How did you find the process? Going through the resume and the referral generation and the mock interviews?
It was great. The resume stuff, the LinkedIn, it was great. Really good advice that Yvonne and John both gave. And then the mock interviews were also really good. All the skills that I learned from the mock interviews, all helped with this main when it mattered, for the PlayStation. John gave a lot of really good conversational tips, and then improv tips. Yvonne gave a lot of really niche questions that they may ask, and made me more prepared for those type of questions. And then Peter as well, he gave this really, really good C++ study guide that I reviewed for PlayStation. And PlayStation's very lower level programming, so they use C++. So it actually helped out a lot.
How do you feel you changed, like as a person in the big picture? Like, do you feel like you grew in any way?
I feel a lot more like confident in myself, like definitely. Like now that I got the result, like I got the offer, I'm like a lot more confident in myself. I realized that like I can do it. Like you just need to put in the work. Like I think those mock interviews definitely like it gave me that preparation I needed for the real deal, you know. So and like my overall skills, you know, like my behavioral skills, my interview skills, my coding skills, just in every aspect.
I'm so proud of you, Nahari. I mean, you've come a long way and you're a gamer and you now have an internship at PlayStation. I'm just super proud of you, man. I couldn't be happier for you. I saw that post and I was like, my man, he got that internship. So how does your family feel about this? I know they're a part of your
They're
decision.
yeah, they're really happy. So they were like, okay, wow, this program helped. Like it was a good investment. Like so, yeah, they were just really happy overall that like I got the offer.
Fantastic. What's next after this? After you get this internship, what are you planning for in the future?
Hopefully, I mean, hopefully a return offer would be great. Like I was following the roadmap he gave. Like Aman said, like start with like research, then do unpaid internship, then do paid internship. So now I'm in the next step. Like I got the paid internship. Now I'm going to get the full time and then maybe go for like the Fang, Mango, and then after that go to Quad.
There you
Yeah.
go. Excellent. Well, I really appreciate you hopping on here, Nahar, and super proud of you. And certainly wish you all the best in the future. And come back and tell us what's happening, and keep in touch with us all.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
All right, my friend. Thanks again for joining. Take care.